The Boya V20 2.4 GHz omnidirectional wireless microphone system is designed for content creators, especially those using Android Type-C devices. This system is particularly suited for vlogging, social media, and YouTube content creation. Here are some key features and insights based on user reviews and product specifications. Key features: dual transmitters and receiver. The V20 includes two clip-on transmitters with built-in omnidirectional microphones and a dual-channel receiver with a USB-C connector, allowing for easy integration with most Android devices. V20 photo video curve and store. Transmission range. The system operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency band and offers a maximum range of up to 50 meters (164 feet), which is ideal for most indoor and some outdoor recording scenarios. V20 photo video flip cart. Battery life. The transmitters feature built-in rechargeable batteries that can last up to 9 hours on a single charge. They can be recharged in about 2 hours using the included USB-C charging cable. V20 photo video curve and store. Noise reduction and mute mode. Each transmitter has onboard controls for noise reduction and muting, which can enhance audio quality by reducing background noise and allowing for quick muting when needed. Curve and store. Simultaneous charging. The receiver allows you to charge your mobile device while recording, ensuring that your device's battery life is not compromised during long recording sessions. Curve and store. User reviews. The Boya V20 has received mixed reviews. Positive feedback. Users have praised its sound quality and ease of use. It's noted for its compatibility with various Android devices and its good performance in terms of audio clarity and range. Users appreciate the value for money it offers, especially for mobile content creation. Flip cart. Negative feedback. Some users have reported compatibility issues with specific phone models, such as OnePlus and certain other brands. There are also concerns about the build quality, with some users experiencing issues with the plastic components breaking easily. Flip cart. Summary. Overall, the Boya V20 is a cost-effective wireless microphone system suitable for casual and semi-professional content creators. Its strengths lie in its long battery life, ease of use, and dual transmitter setup, making it ideal for interviews and dual-person shoots. However, potential buyers should verify compatibility with their specific devices and be mindful of the build quality concerns reported by some users. For more detailed specifications and user reviews, you can check out listings on V20 Photo and Flipkart.